Yeah. Um, there's a real life scenario that exists. Yes. And I didn't get through this whole document, but I think that it is vitally important that we understand exactly what's occurring. Yes. Now, not just once did you make up crimes that you didn't commit so that you as the family could laugh your ass off and you could get paid for shows. You did it twice, and now that it's been dismissed, right? This case dismissed without prejudice. Now the same thing here, right? Dismissed without prejudice. Yes. Mm-hmm. Now it looks like, ouch, maybe I'm wrong. You could open it up again. hmm Now let's look at without prejudice because it could be that it could be opened. Yes. Now the thought is, well, he is really got some big problems today. I'm not going to get a job because you say that I'm schizophrenic. Yes. I'm not going to get any housing. I am going to never be able to. Oops, look at that. The 12 tables. Oh, look, it's in here. The 12 set out many rights and duties of Roman citizens. Ooh. Debtors' rights, family law, wills, torts, civil procedure, and some public law. That must have been what they were talking about because I didn't really know. Without prejudice. I was wrong. I think with prejudice means that you can't open it up again. Yes. Without UVW, without prejudice. Did you decide to open the case again? You're going to cover up your crime. Yeah. You're going to continue to violate the laws. What? If you do, it's not going to be very good. Ooch. Without prejudice, without loss of any rights, in a way that does not harm or cancel the legal rights or privileges of a party. Dismissed without prejudice. See dismissal without prejudice under dismissal. Mm-hmm. Without prejudice, a phrase that, when incorporated in contracts, stipulations, and other written instruments, imports that the parties have agreed that, as between themselves, the receipt of the money by one and the enjoyment by the other, yeah, shall not, because of the facts of the rights and facts of the receipt and payment have legal effect upon the rights of the parties in the premises, that such rights will be as open to settlement by negotiation or legal controversy as if the money had not been turned over by the one to the other. In dismissing motions, actions, bills in equity, and appeals without prejudice, no right or remedy of the parties is affected. The use of the phrase simply shows that there has been no decision of the case upon the merits, right, and prevents defendant from setting up the defense of res adjudicata. In other words, it leaves the whole subject as open to litigation as if no proceeding had ever been in the matter. Yes, Ford Encyclopedia of Law and Procedure. Yeah. Now, with prejudice, oops, looks like you did the same thing as Clallam County. It's still open and I can open it at any time. I can appeal both court decisions. Now, does anybody know when the without prejudice, does it have an expiration? Like fraud laws or fraud statutes, there is no statute of limitation. With all withdrawal, dismissal. Let's see here. Exactly how long do I have to motion an appeals decision through the appellate court system? Yes, where they would be obligated to consider the evidence. Dismissal. Well, I'm sure that I am going to use the Supreme Court of the United States, and I am going to involve everybody. Oh, now, I know. Yesterday, when I asked you to look at the actual docket of the Supreme Court of the United States, I'm going to want some time for myself there.